Hello! In this video, we're going to talk about 10 things you shouldn't do on Discord. And before we start, please give this video a like and share it so it could reach more people. And let's get started. First, we'll talk about what is Discord. Discord is a communication platform designed for gamers that allows users to communicate with each other using text, voice, and video. It's a popular way for gamers to connect and chat with each other. And it also has support for integrations with a wide variety of different games and services. Some people also use Discord for non-gaming purposes, such as for communication within online communities or groups. Next, how does it work? Discord uses a combination of client software that you install on your computer and a web-based application that you can access from a web browser. When you create a Discord account and join a server, you'll be able to use the client software to communicate with other users on the server. The client software allows you to send and receive messages, join voice and video chats, and more. The web-based application allows you to do many of the same things, but you can also use it to manage your account and server settings. Moving on, why should I use Discord? There are many reasons you might want to use Discord. Some of the main benefits include easy communication. Discord makes it easy to communicate with other users using text, voice, and video. This makes it a great platform for gaming, as well as for other group activities. Integrations. Discord supports integration with a wide variety of different games and services, which make it a convenient way to stay connected and coordinated with other users while you're playing. Customization. Discord allows users to create and join servers, which are essentially groups of users who can communicate with each other. Each server can be customized with different roles, channels, and other settings, which allows users to tailor their experience to their specific needs. And lastly, free to use. Discord is free to use, although there are paid versions with additional features if you want them. While there are a lot of benefits in using Discord, some people might not be familiar with the things you shouldn't do on the platform, making it more difficult to grow in the platform. So, to help you out, we have listed 10 things you shouldn't do on Discord. Number 1. Spamming. Sending excessive amounts of messages or unwanted messages to other users on the platform. This can be annoying and can lead to users blocking or muting you. Number 2. Sharing inappropriate content. Discord is not the place for sharing explicit or offensive content. Doing so can result in your account being banned or suspended. Number 3. Impersonating other users. Pretending to be someone else on the platform is not allowed and can be considered a form of harassment. 4. Doxing. Sharing personal information about another user without their consent is a serious offense and can be illegal in some cases. Number 5. Posting illegal content. Discord is not a platform for sharing content that is illegal, such as pirated software or stolen copyrighted material. Number 6. Engaging in harassment or bullying. Treating other users with disrespect or targeting them with harmful or abusive behavior is not tolerated on Discord. Number 7. Invading other users' privacy. It's important to respect the privacy of other users on the platform. Don't try to access their personal information without their consent. Number 8. Using unauthorized bots. Using bots on Discord is generally allowed, but you should only use ones that are approved by the platform. Using unauthorized bots can result in your account being banned. 9. Sharing fake news or misinformation. Spreading false information or purposely misleading other users is not allowed on Discord. And lastly, number 10. Engaging in illegal activities. Discord is not a place for engaging in illegal activities, such as selling drugs or engaging in illegal gambling. Remember, it's important to be respectful and considerate of other users on the platform. Avoid engaging in activities that could be harmful or annoying to others, and always follow the platform's terms of service. And there you have it, 10 things you shouldn't do on Discord. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
did you know that you can get online courses platformed with integrated marketing, with hosts anywhere, supports 17 languages, and 6 profit-boosting plugins included? That is Course Funnels by Technic Force. Create and market courses online. Course Funnels helps you make courses and trainings that actually get sales. It's easy. You will have your first course set up on day number 1. It has a powerful dashboard, easy course editor, robust communication center, email marketing inside, and accepts payments any way you want. It has money-saving plugins included, and it supports third-party scripts, and has reports and analytics. Get instant access to Course Funnels now. Just go to getcoursefunnels.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.